Hi. Yes, yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. So, Arpit,
Yes, Manish.
basically,
Mhm.
okay. So, lastly, so I have completed my CDEC. So after the CDEC, I got two, three companies.
Mm,
Two of them are Global Logic, and second is Capgemini. And
mm,
after that, so I got selected in Lifeway as a off-campus or say LinkedIn. So
mm,
currently, I'm working as an associate consultant in Lifeway Bangalore, and which my
mm,
role is overall the I'm leading the projects. I'm the project manager of two projects. Like first one is asoglerin.com, the website who the product is Asoglerin trucks or defense products, and the second one
mm,
is the bluedart.com, that is a Korean site. So I'm the project manager of two sites. So
mm.
as per my experience, I have 4+ year experience because I have done two intensive in the college time, and after that the fourth. Sorry,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Please.
Yeah. So in during college time, I have done two intensive as well. First version is in Amazon, and second version is in TCS. So uh, after the intensive, I got selected in the off campus because I have done 4 month intensive in TCS.
Mm,
So this is my journey as for now. So
okay.
as for the like in my IT career, have seen like data everywhere is data is blooming.
Mm,
Like data is running every IT sector, data is running every website. Everything is depend on data, and people are predicting everything. Like how my business will be
mm,
going, or now
mm,
or bent for future. So people are predicting based
mm.
on the data. So just for
Right.
this current scenario, I want to learn
Mm.
data science and move for my career better. Yeah.
Okay, great. So let's begin with, let me share my screen. Question is, before talking about data, we'll have to talk about, before talking about data science, we'll have to talk about data. What is data? Data is any meaningful information,
Correct,
right?
correct.
Any meaningful information, कुछ भी अगर meaningful रहता है, so that is called data, correct? When this data is kept
Correct,
into
correct.
proper patterns or schemas, then
Mm-hmm.
it can be quantified as structured data, right? That is just two parts. First is
Right, right.
structured and unstructured. So
And there
when
is
we
one
talk,
more semi-structured data as well.
semi-structured would come
Sorry.
into semi-structured would come into unstructured only, because there are
Okay, okay.
elements of unstructured data, then that's combined, right? That is just for our sake of discussion that we divided into three parts, but actually at very core
Mm-hmm.
level there are only two things: either it can be structured or it can be unstructured. It cannot be in between. So now what happens is,
Okay, okay.
uh, in order to have these kind of structured data and unstructured data, when we have, so we needed data analysts, right? So data analysis was very good with structured data but could not work with unstructured data. Hence we had data science, wherein data science told us to have tools and softwares which can work and analyze both structured and unstructured data. Okay, so we had both structured and unstructured data. Clear?
Correct, correct.
We need those kind of tools. So before getting on to
Mm-hmm.
these tools and data science, we need to understand one more concept, that is for data analytics. In order to in order for to analyze any kind of data, you need 3 steps. First is read, wherein you should be able to read the data from different sources. Then restructure, should be able to change the basic fundamental structure of data and report, where you need to create efficient reports in order to understand the output. Correct? Read, restructure, and report. Yeah. So this is what data science is based on. You need different tools. So the first tool is Hadoop.
In the section, we can consider that hello, yeah. So there are some data visualization, data analyzing. So these are the part of restructure, right?
Correct. Restructure and report both. That is the gray area is when this is just for our sake of conversation, right? So when talking about Hadoop, Hadoop works on big data. Now, what is big data? Big data is huge collection of unstructured data, right? Very huge collection. Correct? So you need kind of software which can work firstly with that kind of volume and should have velocity. That means that if we give a query, it should not respond after 2 days. It should give immediately, then and there, right? And variety, it should work with images, text, and everything. So Hadoop is the only software which can work through all of these parts. So that can help us to the first part, that is reading the data. Okay. Then talking about visualization, the best tool for visualization in today's market is Tableau. With Tableau, you can create visualizations. You'll have to create different visualization. You'll have to create different dashboards, stories,
graphs and maps. Correct.
Right. Interactive maps and everything. So that you learn through Tableau.
Correct.
Then third and most important is Python with machine learning. So why Python? Python, yeah, please.
So basically, when we I have gone through some research for the data analysis, data science course. So first step is to learn Python with data science, and this tools Hadoop and Tableau comes later, or this is come before.
That sequence is depending up to you.
Okay.
That depends up to you, your understanding.
See, I have just because I have gone through some institutes material or some Google research. So first they are teaching Python, then they are teaching data like Hadoop, some like Tableau. Like first they are teaching Python with AI or machine learning, then they are going for the data thing. But here you are telling that first
it's not necessary. Data, it's not necessary that it has to go into these part only. And everybody has their own process to seeing any solution to any problem, right? I don't quantify what others are doing, and I don't recognize what other people are doing, right? Because they are taking this problem according to their own brain, and I'm thinking according to my own, right? And it's not necessary that you start Hadoop at first. You can start with Python also. So in a certain way, they are also not wrong. So you can very easily work through both of them. There is no problem regarding it. Okay, it's not interrelated.
Okay. Okay.
Why Python? Python is the easiest language, and you, in comparison to other language, you can very easily uh, incorporate Python into learning, right? Because the easiest language. Why? Because it's the syntax which matters, and it's a very low thing of syntax. That's why people firstly go for Python. Then you have machine learning. So even before that, how we learn here, firstly we'll be learning about core Python. In core Python, we'll be learning the basic syntax. Work with Python. In second level, you would be learning about data analytics with Python. Therein, you would be learning about different libraries. Namely, there is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Third comes machine learning. So into machine learning, you have two different categories. Number one would be supervised learning. In supervised learning, you learn about regression. In regression, there are two algorithms. In machine learning, you learn about different algorithms. First is linear regression, and second is logistic regression. Another class is classification. Classification, you learn about k nearest neighbor algorithm, which is again called KNN algorithm. And after this, you learn about SVM, support vector machines. Second category is unsupervised learning. So herein you learn about clustering algorithms. So this is our whole syllabus of what we do into data science.
Okay. Right? So what is the duration for this syllabus?
Round about 4 to 5 months.
Okay. So in this syllabus, like I can't see that SQL, that how can we extract data from database? So,
sorry, can you please repeat?
There are so many things. Yeah. So database is missing, like SQL. Data is stored in database.
Data is now you need to extract that data, right?
Correct.
So SQL. SQL is not a part of directly a part of here. That people integrate. I mean, वो ज़बरदस्ती डाल देते वहाँ पे कि you need to learn this also and that also. And to my understanding, you don't need to have very deep understanding of SQL. Even though if you require that you need to learn specifics, then that can be very easily arranged to do.
So as I have come from the IT background, so I have know like some part of SQL which I used in coding or in my project.
Yes,
but for advanced level, like for machine learning, it was the specific. Then I need to learn.
You don't need a very advanced SQL for
that. Okay.
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 Any doubt on this?
Yeah. Yeah, so what is the fee duration for this whole syllabus?
Sorry, what is the?
See, uh, duration. So like you have told that the duration for this
Mm,
course is 4 to 5 months for the weekend batch, right?
right, correct.
Yeah. So what is the fee structure for this? Fee structure for this, and
Fee
is there any
structure, ma'am, would
certification
be
included in this? Like,
no, no certification.
okay,
There
okay,
in
okay.
data science,
So
there is
there is
no
a none.
specific certification in there. Python is open source, Hadoop is open source,
Mhm.
right? And same with Tableau, that there is no
Correct,
specific
correct.
certification that is required there. So you can very easily. The whole point is that you should
Mhm.
know the concepts and you should have a very strong hold on the specifics of everything.
Mhm. Got it. So who will be the instructor? Can I know the name of the instructor who will teach
My
the
name
program or who will guide the?
my name is Arpit, and I am the instructor of this. Hello.
Okay, okay. So you have also the experience in data science field, right?
Right. Have 10 years of experience into this field.
Mhm. Okay. ठीक है. Please, I have
Okay.
completed my doubts. I have some doubts regarding the fee structure. So yeah, you
So
can clear
Hema
them
would
from
be
my end.
calling you right now and she'd be asking you for all the details. Okay.
Correct, correct.
Okay, Manish. Nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, Arpit. Thank you.